Here's a quick project update on the S10. We got it upside down in the rotisserie. Now that I know where all the suspension's gonna be, I got the airbags mounted, steering shafts in, front suspension's all figured out. At this point here, the next step is gonna be to go through and finish welding all the stuff that needs to be welded. I mean, you can see a lot of this stuff was just kind of stuck here and tack welded together as kind of a temporary, just so everything could fit. And so I'm gonna go through and start putting in some new welds and fixing all the parts that's just tacked together. So as soon as I get the welding done, we're gonna put POR 15 all over the frame, get that all painted, because the plan for the floor is I'm gonna run aluminum. And so I wanna have everything painted and ready, and then we'll rivet some aluminum floors and stuff in it to keep the weight down. But a lot of work left, so should be fun.